Welcome back to Just Speak Tree, Episode 7. You've done beautifully so far. You can greet, introduce yourself, say where you're from, where you live, talk about your work, describe your family, and express your likes and your dislikes. Now, in this episode, we are getting into our daily routine. The things you do in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night. And this is how you build flow into your conversations, getting from the basics to more intimate, more details. By the end of today's episode, you will be able to describe your day. This episode is going to be a little different from our previous episodes. We're not starting from the very beginning of the dialogue between Abigail and Amma. We're going to go right into the lesson where they're asking each other to describe their routine. We'll start with the morning, then we do the afternoon, then we will do the evening/nighttime routine. Let's begin. Abigail, wosori anopa. Dɛn na woyɛ? Anɔpa, minyane bɛyɛ 6 a.m. Mitwitwi me se. Mewie a na madware asiesie me ho. Me try sɛ medi breakfast da biara. Adwoada ne wukuada deɛ, mede me lunch firi fie kɔ sukuu. Na wo nso anɔpa, ɛdɛn na woyɛ? Me deɛ, minyane bɛyɛ anɔpa 5:30. First, mebɔ mpaeɛ, na mayɛ me morning devotion. Mewie a, na mayɛ me exercise bɛyɛ 30 minutes. Ansa na makɔ akɔdware ahohoro m'anim. Mindidi anɔpa. Enti, misiesie me ho wie a, na ɛno ara no. Mididi wɔ cafeteria. Enti, memfa aduane mfiri fie ɛnkɔ adwuma. Na wo awia, ɛdɛn na woyɛ? Awia na mewɔ me international business class. Sɛ menni class a, na mewɔ library ɛresua adeɛ. Sɛ mewie library no a, me ne me nnamfofoɔ pue kakra. Na wo nso awia woyɛ dɛn? Me deɛ, awia ɛna meyɛ me rounds. Mewie me rounds a, me ne me panyin hyia. Yɛdi nkɔmmɔ wie a, mefrɛ me maame, na mafrɛ me papa, na mahwɛ sɛ ɔmo ho te sɛn. Na wo pɔn time bɛn? Me pɔn 7:30, na maduru fie bɛyɛ 8 p.m. 8 p.m. yɛ late. Sɛ mewɔ orchestra practice a, na meduru fie bɛyɛ 8 anaa 9. Anadwo, meduru fie a, medware ntɛmntɛm, ansa na mapɛ biribi adi. Mekɔda a, na mahohoro m'anim na matwitwi me se, na ɛno ara no. Na wo nso anadwo ɛdeɛn na woyɛ? Me deɛ, medidi, mehome kakra, ɛhwɛ TV, ansa na mahohoro m'anim, atwitwi me se, adware, na makɔda. Meda bɛyɛ 11:30 p.m. How was that? We have gone through the morning, the afternoon, and the nighttime routine of Abigail and Amma. Now, when it comes to talking about parts of our day, we don't necessarily use exact times. We use times of the day. Anɔpa, morning. Anɔpa. It can be 5 a.m. It can be 4 in the morning. It can be 10 a.m. Anɔpa, morning. Awia, afternoon. Awia. Anwummerɛ, evening. Anwummerɛ. Anadwo, nighttime. Anadwo. So you can have ɛdɛn na woyɛ anɔpa. Den na woyɛ awia. Den na woyɛ anwummerɛ. Den na woyɛ anadwo. Anɔpa, medi aduane, medware, mesiesie me ho, mekɔ school. Awia, medi me lunch, me ne me ndamfofoɔ pue, mefrɛ me maame, mekɔ library, meda, mefa me siesta. Anwummerɛ, mehome, mepue, meyɛ adwuma. Anadwo, metwitwi me se, mebɔ mpaeɛ, meda, medware. What do you do? Den na woyɛ. Anɔpa, awia, anwummerɛ, anadwo. Once you know morning, afternoon, evening, and night, to describe what you do, we begin with me. Me means me. Me didi, I eat. Me sorry anɔpa, when I wake up in the morning. Me sorry anɔpa, then you tell us what you do. So I'm going to ask you now so that you can tell me about your morning. Den na woyɛ anɔpa, or anɔpa woyɛ den. And because I'm asking wo, you, your reply will start with me or the word anɔpa. Anɔpa me, and you insert what you do, or me, insert what you do, and you end with the word anɔpa. So here are your 3 sentence frames for today. Anɔpa me. In the morning, I. Awia me. Anwummerɛ or anadwo me. Those are your 3. And your confidence statement for today is Meka me damu nsɛm wɔ twi mu. Meka me da mu nsɛm wɔ twi mu. I will talk about my day in Chi. So your assignment for the week, I want you to pick one part of your day. Anɔpa, ana awia, ana anwummerɛ, ana anadwo. And then I want you to practice telling someone what your routine is for that part of the day. Be as detailed as your tree allows. Whatever you do, you pick one part of your day, you share it with someone, or you can record a short clip, post it, and tag Just Speak Chi, because I would love to see your Chi progress. You don't need to describe every piece of your day. You just need to have an idea and pick a few things when you're having your conversation in Chi. Chi is a beautiful language, and I want you to just speak Chi, the Chi that you already understand. In 7 episodes, the Chi you already know in here, we're getting it out here. So I hope you are enjoying the journey with me, and I will see you next week for episode 8 of Just Speak Chi. Bye. Just Speak Chi is a production of Amamure, a cultural platform rooted in language, tradition, and community within the African diaspora. All music used is from the public domain.